We are going to see what is the use of chain and Endchain and how it works. I already designed one screen, that is Z chain transaction code, and I'm taken as VBLN as sales order number as my input screen. When I click on display, it displays the following fields, and when I click on back, it goes back to the 9001. Another thing I added, I validated the VBLN. What I'm trying to say is, suppose this is my input number. If I click on display, displays the output. When I click on back, it goes back. I validated these fields. That means if that sales order number does not exist, I'm throwing one error. See, sales order not valid. What I'm trying to see is, suppose I'm entering some random number, click on display, sales order not valid. We can see, right, our input screen is locked. Okay, input screen is locked. To come out from this problem, we are going to use chain and Endchain. We just write our validate program within chain and Endchain. Click on edit. If you see the screen, this is my field name. I'm taken the reference VBAK VBLN for this. Click on back. What I need to do is just, I'll say chain and chain. Enter the field name. My field name is P_VBLN. For this field, I'm validating here. I'll say module validate underscore PBLN. Double click on this. This is after input. After input, console. I have to write code this within this chain and Endchain module. Click on save. Double click on you. Activate it. Activate it. Now go to transaction code Z chain. I'm entered my number. Click on display. Go back. I'm entering wrong number. Click on display. It able to re-enter the input. This is about chain and Endchain. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.